So I ordered a new machine for my business, you know what I'm saying? A silkscreen machine from eBay. The 2-station 4-color, and I'm gonna try to set it up, you know what I'm saying? It was like $189 with everything, tax and shipping. Oh my god, dude. Alright, fuck it. Let's just get to it. Oh yo, by the way, check out NJ Grind if you like skateboarding and you live in New Jersey, or you like New Jersey and skateboarding. Go check them out, yo. You'll find some cool spots. Let's get to it. Uno. That's for the shirt. Another one, you know what I'm saying? I got that 2-station. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to fit both of the stations in here. It's kind of not roomy in here. This piece. Oh shit, tight. Just as long as everything here. Another bag full of bolts. Oh my god, yo. There's so many fucking bolts. This is gonna be like a project. Yeah, this is the part that like spins, you know what I'm saying? So many springs and hardware, and it's kind of making me nervous. More things, cool boxies, more blue thingies. Got some sort of bearings on there. The last piece. I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and hopefully we can put it together today. I don't know, we can't use it today though because I don't have any screens. I have to make them, but I'll make another video for that. I have no clue what I'm doing, bro. This box is too big. Let's do this, let's put it together. You know, that's what we're here for. Let's do it. Right here's all the pieces, you know what I'm saying? These are for the shirts, you place them on. Look at all these springs, you know what I'm saying? All these arms and shit. Some sort of bearing thing. The spinner that spins all the colors. And some more metal. I don't know. Let's try to do something with it. So my guess would be start with this piece, and afterwards, Jesus Christ, yo, this is like the worst directions ever. They don't tell you shit. So I organized it a little bit, you know, by category, and I do. But it's weird because they don't show the washers or anything, so I don't know. I may not even just use them. Alright, so that is in. So I got like a box of these bearing things. You know what I'm saying? I guess there's like these tiny screws underneath, and you have to loosen them to get them on here. You know what I'm saying? They gave you like a small screwdriver too. Allen wrench, I should say. So then you just take it, you know, and loosen it up a little bit. Make sure they don't come out, because if you drop them, they're probably mad hard to find. So you just, you know, stick that in. Stick it so the part that's like sticking out, you know, is facing towards inside the metal, like that. Okay. So now you got that step done. Put a little nut and screw there. What I mean by that, so it's adjustable. So they have these bolts that don't lock, and these are the ones that you want to use with the long bolt. So what you want to do is you want to screw that on first, whatever, and then screw that on, and there you go. And you got a stopper. Have like a little piece of rubber or some sort of pad there to stop from when it goes down. Don't do that shit. What I recommend doing, if these are already on, I don't know, because I saw a video, this guy already had his on, so I was like, oh, let me just put mine on. But no, it doesn't work like that. Like, put one on one side, right? Tighten that shit up, and then loosen this side if it's already on. If not, then just do what I'm about to do. So boom, that comes off. Remember, this side has to go down. You line this up right here, all right? And then you can put this one in here, you know, and then boom. But before you do that, you're gonna want to put in the screws. Do that magic. Plug in, plug in. If you don't do this right, then you may fuck up. So you see how I have one bearing attached. Now, I shall take the other one, okay? Put it here. Line it up with these holes right here. So, boom, you put that in there, tighten her up. Now, you're gonna wanna take your small wrench and just tighten this so it don't move. You can just use your hand until it locks up and then just give it another twist, you know. Super tight, my friends. Just do that like 2 more times. Finally got all 4 on. Boom. So once you got all the arms on, you're gonna wanna take the hardware, 1 Allen key screw and 1 hook. Place the hook on top of the spinner while doing that. And there you go. You're just spinning on there, you know. There's also a smaller screw that go behind there, and their purpose is to kind of just put those on too after you put these on. Just do that for now, you know what I'm saying, until you got all 4 in. The 4 in. You just gotta break them in, and then you could like do it by hand. Alright, so far so good. We got all the arms on. We got the bearing thingy. Now, the next step is to take this piece of blue metal, okay? And then we're gonna keep these things down while placing it like there. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Make sure that these are on top. So you're gonna take these two, look, tighten it up, just like an IKEA. Once it's in there, I'm gonna line it up in the middle. So you got that in the middle, you're gonna tighten it with your tools, you know? So the next step here is you're gonna grab another circle thingy, all right? And there's a hole behind the thing that you just put on. There's like a little hole, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna stick your bolt on the inside and then take your ring and bring it outside, you know? Do the other side as well. But didn't make them too tight. Little spring. You're going to put it on there, just like that, you know? I'm gonna take this, I don't know what you call these. So you're gonna loosen it all the way. This is weird, you gotta like tighten it to loosen it. So now, you're gonna take your hook, you're gonna bring it up. Oh, and there you go. Oh shit, I guess you wanna tighten it on both sides. Should tighten. It's gonna keep it up there. The spring, and then that hook thing, and then you just hook it onto that hook, you know? You just can't forget about tightening up that hook. You know, it goes down, perfect, you know, it goes up, even more perfect. Can't get any better than that. Everything's set. The next step, I just have to put this thing here, you know, so it can get screen printed or whatever. Alright, so yeah, there's a little screw you're gonna have to unscrew with the Phillips head. You're gonna stick it right through this hole, you know? Boom, and then you're gonna put the screw back on, and then you'll be good. You're gonna repeat that process. Okay. Word. So now it's time to put on the extender. So grab your shorter black extender piece, and you're gonna grab some hardware. Boom, boom, plow, plow. Slap that shit on there. This is just the same what you did in the beginning to the other side. And then you just screw that in there. You're gonna take your other pieces right here and put them like that. We're almost done. Still have hella bolts. The next part is you're gonna put this on the back of like the actual piece of wood that holds the shirt in place. Have some room to put in some brackets. My hands are so shaky. Take these out though, get more room. We're just gonna screw them in, you know what I'm saying? go around, stick them in there. So we're gonna slide that onto the piece that we just put on previously, and then once it's on, you tighten these. They'll come up, as you can see, and then they'll lock this into place, so you can make your screen print happen. You're gonna make sure that this side is sticking out that way, and then you're just gonna slide it in there. You know? I saw this guy, he had it right on the edge, like right there. Is that the way? I hope so. I mean, that would make more sense. You know, got everything tight, like a tiger. You're ready to screen print just like that. I'm gonna set up the other side. It is done. And honestly, it's a lot bigger than I thought. This shit's like fucking over 6 feet. I'm gonna have to rearrange. So this is how you do it, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of a lot of work and like no direction from the company, except for like some shitty directions, but it's alright, you know what I'm saying? Some YouTube videos will help you out. Hopefully this one will. Happy screen printing, bro. I kind of struggled with it, but got through. So if you guys want to follow up on how I'm doing, I have a shirt company called Set Tight Co. They're on Instagram, they're on Facebook if you want to check them out. I just started this new company called Set Thrift. It's kind of like an extension off of what's going on already. So I just thrift clothes, try to find like cool clothes and just put them up, you know, so if people like them, they can snag them. But this is for the custom shirts if you want to check that out, you know. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.